Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showcasing another app that I made called ClockMate. So it is a chess clock and it's for bullet chess, which is 1 minute timed chess. And you can, I'll basically tell you what a chess clock is if you don't know what it is. So they normally use it in professional chess, but can be used anywhere. So the timer starts, you make a move, and you click a button, which stops your timer and then starts the other person's timer. Then they make a move, they click, and then it just keeps going like that until one person reaches 0, and then the other person wins. If you click show more up here, you can see the increment, how much it goes up whenever you, and can go down, which would make it a very quick game. But every time you click your timer to stop it, that's how much your timer will go up. I like to have it at like 5 because 10 would be too long. 1 would be basically just 60 seconds, way too short. So I like to have it at 5. You can do show less, then you can do start timer. So as it's going, let's say I make a move right now. Then I click it, now it goes up 5, and it shows that my move counts 1. And green is upside down for the other player across the table from you. So they can make their move, they can go, their move count will be 1. And it has a pause feature where you can pause it. And then a play feature where you can resume the game. And then you can do restart. I actually renamed the app pretty recently, so I gotta change it right here to ClockMate. So, pretty cool. So yeah, it has increment, and if somebody, let's just make it 0. I'll make it negative something actually, so it goes a lot faster. So if I do start timer, now let's just wait until purple runs out of time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it gives you a little popover saying game over, green wins because purple ran out of time. Alright, so let's look at the code now. So right here are the variables, all that. And so right here is what makes the background, the black and the gray, the opacity. This is the if statement, so this if statement is for all of this at the top of the screen on the preview. So if button clicked equals true, which means when the start timer button is clicked, that's when it equals true. So you do start timer and then all that disappears. So else, and then it just shows all of that. And then button clicked underscore is the variable for the show less, show more feature, which I again recently added. And right here is for the move count for green. Move count is move count 1. And then it shows the timer, which is this. Here's all the code for the countdown timer. And it also shows the if countdown timer equals 0, if countdown timer 1 equals 0, popover equals true, popover string. So the popover is what pops up, the popover string is what's on the popover. Countdown timer 1 is green's timer, so it'll say purple wins if it is 0, and vice versa for this one. If countdown timer 2 equals 0, popover equals true, and then green wins. So right here is for the play button. If timer running 1 was stopped, meaning when you click the pause button. If it was timer running 1, which is the variable for if it's running, that equals false. And then same with this one for the second timer. And this basically just helps it know which turn it was when it was paused. Here's the restart button, so everything basically resets. Button clicked equals false, timer running 1 equals false, timer running 2 equals false, countdown timer 1 equals 60, and countdown timer 2 equals 60, which are the default times for the clocks. Here's the pause button, so here's kind of the logic for the timer running 2 was stopped and timer running 1 was stopped. So it shows if green's timer was running, timer running 2 was stopped equals false, and then timer running 1 was stopped equals true because that's timer running 1. Then timer running 1 equals false. And vice versa for this one. Right here is for the purple side. This is what happens when you click it. So if button clicked equals false, it does nothing. And else if timer is run, if timer run 1 equals true, timer running 1 equals true, it will do nothing. Else it makes the move count 2 go up 1, and countdown timer 2 plus equals the bonus points, which is the increment. And if button clicked equals false, it does nothing because it shouldn't work when the start timer hasn't been clicked yet. Else timer running 2 equals false, timer running 1 equals true, because that's making that pause, and then timer running 1, which is green's timer, true. Here's the countdown timer 2 for purple, and move count right here. And then here's the pop over, and then just on appear, perform countdown timer 2 equals countdown timer 1. And what that does is if I edited countdown timer 1, it's 60 right now, I made it 20. As you can see in the preview, they are both going to be set to 20 because timer 2 is equivalent to timer 1. So there it is. And that's ClockMate. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on another video.